this guy too. Oh, it's maybe a sauger. I don't know. Looks Walter to me. Look at that little guy on this little shallow runner. Barbless hooks. Beautiful North Saskatchewan River baby. There he goes. Big or small, it's fun to catch them all. This is a fish. Never mind, sorry. I misdiagnosed it. Sorry, I'm dramatic. This one's not bad. The way he was in the current, it felt way bigger than it was. He's not bad, but he's definitely not the tank. Oh gosh, ow, ow, ow. Finally got, the hook out. He's pissed off because I grabbed him right at shore. He grabbed me right at shore, I should say. Beautiful, beautiful Walter though. Almost 16-inch Walter. Probably won't be able to get this guy on camera, but I'll try. Okay, I got that guy back. Thought I was gonna have to eat him, but he just needed more deep water. I was putting him back too shallow.